How to change contact name in WhatsApp on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your WhatsApp application, and of course you have to choose the contact that you want to change the name on WhatsApp. So let's tap on this conversation. Here, let's just go back here. Here you will be led to your chat section. Right now, here you'll see all your chats, your conversations that you have, and then choose the specific contact that you want to change your contact name, and then tap on the person's contact information, and it will look like this. Now the next thing that you want to do is on the upper right of that contact info, you will see edit. Tap on edit here, and you will see you can actually delete the person's name and change it to new one. You can put it here and tap on save on the upper right, and as you can see, you have successfully changed the contact name in WhatsApp of that specific person. Now if you go back here, as you can see, you have changed it, and basically that's it. That's how you change contact name in WhatsApp on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.